Hey school lunch team, how you doing? Guess what we're going to do today? We're going to cook in the Groen Braising Pan, and we're going to talk about its incredible versatility. One of the things I love to do, especially when I don't have a lot of time, is make a great soup. And we know kettles are one of the most amazing soup vehicles, but also our braising pan, which is the most versatile piece of equipment in the restaurant business. So let's get started on this chicken and yellow squash soup that you can do with one arm behind your back. So let's go in here. We're going to take a little bit of, we got some yellow onion and yellow squash that we're going to start with here. And we're going to just let those go right into our braising pan here, right? And we're going to start to caramelize that a little bit. And you can stay right in there. We're going to take a little bit of salt and pepper, not too much. And this is white pepper we're using. This white pepper has got a great little delicious flavor, but black pepper could work for this recipe as well. Now, if you come over here to our controls, these are IPX6 water rated controls. So I can go into a low cooking mode, or I'm going to go into what I like to call our rock and roll mode. And so we're going to let that crank up and let the bottom of this braising pan start to cook all this food evenly. It's really an incredible, versatile piece of equipment. We can do all kinds of things with this, and this soup is going to be one that we'll see here shortly. Now, and one of the things I really love about this braising pan is this lid here. Our lid, able to adjust it at whatever height we like, and it really does make a difference, especially when you're the one cooking, right? Now, the style of the braising pan here, the shape of it, you notice the coved corners right here. These are designed so food doesn't get caught and stuck in here. This allows you to work that food properly and evenly. And then we have our etched in marks, so that way I can get a great quick idea of how much food I'm cooking, easy reference point, the little things like that. It's like, why wouldn't you put it in there? Okay, come on in here a little bit. We can see that we're starting to get a little bit of color. This is just the raw vegetables with no oils or fats in here. We're going to take and add a little bit of our chicken right here now that we've diced up. I'm going to let that start to saute. Again, a really healthy soup. We've been cooking here for just about a few minutes. And we're getting those flavors developed. That's one of the beautiful things about the base of that braising pan, is the ability to get all those flavors. And we'll get that camera so you know. You see that color starting to build? That's the fond. Right, that's what makes a great soup right there. We're going to add a little bit of tomato. Just in here, a little diced tomato. And then watch this. This is where the magic happens here. We're going to let that just saute for a second. I love having a place to put down my little spoon, a little flat area to put my cup down or my pans. Little things like that. Okay. Now we're going to take, we got some beautiful chicken stock that we're going to take and add in here. We're doing about 2 gallons for this batch. I'm going to let this come up. You'll see how quick this will just come right up to a nice simmer. I'm going to saute this in. So now we got a lot, see all the surface room we got here to work this product? And we can see exactly how much we're cooking. I could bring this up to 15 gallons in just a few seconds. Very easy to cook volumes of food. We're gonna add a little bit of fresh parsley right here. I'm gonna let that just come up to a little saute and just simmer for a few minutes. We're gonna put our lid down. And then we'll show you a cup of that chicken and yellow squash soup done in just a few minutes, and it'll be ready and make lots of happy smiles, I guarantee you on that one. So this is our little yellow squash and chicken soup done in a braising pan in just a matter of minutes to make the people happy.